Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to combine two list or array in JavaScript. So I'll be showing you two ways. One is just by combining both the arrays without removing the duplicates, and second way is going to be like I will also show you how to remove the duplicates present in the resultant array. So let's get started. So let me just have a third array. Let var array3 will be my resultant array equal to, just open square brackets, and we will be using the spread operator over here. So it's going to be three dots, which is the spread operator, and you need to specify your first array name or list name, which is arr1 in my case, comma, exact same thing, again spread operator, and the second array name. That's it. So let me just now go and console.log the resultant third array, and let me just now copy this, and I will also print the length of the third array. Yeah, saving it, and if I run it, so here you can see I have got my resultant array, but the problem is that the duplicates haven't been removed. So the size is 11, and because the reason is because I'm having 5 elements over here and I'm having 6 elements over here, so the resultant is going to have 5 plus 6, which is 11 elements. So this is working fine. So now I will show you how you can remove that duplicates in this. So for that we'll be using the exact same thing. We'll be just converting this list or array into a set, and that set will also be later converted to an array. So we'll be like doing two conversions. So let me just now cut this. It's going to be open square bracket again. We will be using new capital S set, and within that we will be pasting that particular thing. So okay, so we need to be like super careful over here. You need to have the circular bracket as well as a square bracket. So this is going to be our combined list, okay, combined array or list, and this combined array is going to get converted to a set, and we need to also use the spread operator over here, spread operator space, okay, and this particular combined set basically will remove all the duplicates. That's its property. It has only unique elements inside it. So this will become a set with unique elements, and this particular set is basically then converted to a array back, okay, by using this spread operator, since we are having like the square bracket over here. So I hope this made sense. So let me just now save it. So we are having 1, 2, 3 as the duplicate, so that we will at the end we will need to have 8 elements in the combined or the resultant array. So yeah, if I run it, yeah, so here you can see this time I'm having only 8 elements and all are unique values, and this is in the format of an array. Yeah, so this is how you do it. I think this is the simplest way. Like, yeah, just convert to a set, same thing, just use spread operator again, exact same thing that I did in the first method. So simple, I guess. And I've also done many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, CRUD using Node.js, MongoDB, and MySQL. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.